How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. If you have a Mazda smart key that looks just like this one, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery for it, so let's get started. So there is just a few things you will need to change your battery for this key. So first thing you'll need is obviously the battery replacements. I'm using the Energizer 2025s, that's the one for this smart key. I will link them in the description box below if you don't have them already, and they do come as a 2-pack, so you can change both your smart key remotes at the same time, so they're equal battery. And the next thing you will need is a flathead screwdriver, and that's just going to allow you to pop open the key so you can change the battery for it. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you're going to do is just remove the built-in key for this, and all you're going to do is just pull down on this little tab right here, and that's going to allow you to just slide out that key right there. So I'll do that one more time. Pull down that tab, slide this part out. You don't need to use that for the installation, so we'll remove that. And the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your flathead screwdriver, and right inside right here there is 2 little pieces where you can actually just put your screwdriver in. And what you're going to do is put it in, and you're just going to twist, and you can see that pops up a little bit. We're going to do it again on this side right here. Put it in and just twist, and again that's going to pop up. And then you just want to kind of run your screwdriver just right along here and just kind of twist it a little bit just till you get that pop sound. There we go. So that's just unhooked it, and then you can just pull it just right apart. There we go. We'll put that top piece just aside for the second, and then right here you can see your battery is placed right in this little piece right here. So we can grab the screwdriver and we can place it just right underneath right here, and then just turn, and that will just pop that part right up for you. And we'll remove that, and then inside you do see that that's a water seal. Just leave that in there, no problems whatsoever. There's your battery itself, and we'll go ahead and just remove the old one. And you can see I've got the plus side facing up, so remember that for your new battery. So we'll put that aside and let's grab the new battery for it. And here's our new battery for it. And on the back of the battery, you want to make sure you remove this little paper protected piece right here. So just go ahead and just peel that right off. And then just remember, plus side was facing up, so we're going to go ahead and install this. Just place it down right there. It just sits right in there. There's nothing you have to push in or anything like that. Plus side's up, so we're good to go. Grab your little cover right here, and we're going to just go ahead and place that on there and just press firmly right on there just to make sure it's fully on and installed. Then we're going to grab our top piece again, and all you're going to do is just align it and place it back to where it was, and just push down hard on all 4 sides. You're going to hear those snaps on all 4 sides. There we go. So it's all snapped in right there. And then we're going to grab our other key right here, and we're going to just install that back right there. And we can go ahead now and test it. If we press it, you can see the light right there, so we know that it's fully working. And that's it for the installation of a brand new battery for your Mazda smart key. Make sure you check out the link in the description box below for the battery replacement. And if you like this video and it helped you out, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.